In this question, we are given a system of equations and we are asked to find out the values of a and b if the system of equation has no solution. Okay, so we have these three equations in three unknowns, and here we have a and b, and the information we are given is that the system of equation has no solution. Now let's see. First we will write this system of equation in the form of the matrix, that is Ax equal to b, where A is the matrix corresponding to the coefficients of unknowns, that is 1 1 1 1 4 6 and 1 4 b. This is A. Now x is the matrix of unknowns, that is x y z, that is equal to, we have 6 20 p. Now we know when rank of A is equal to rank of the augmented matrix and is equal to number of unknowns, then the system of equation will have unique solution. And if this is equal and is less than number of unknowns, then it will have infinite number of solutions. Now it is given that the system of equation has no solution. That means rank of A should be less than the rank of augmented matrix. Okay, so we need to check for the rank to find out the condition for the values of A and B. Now we will write the augmented matrix and find the rank of A and the augmented matrix. Now we have to first write the matrix A. This is 6 and this is B, followed by, sorry, we have A here, this is A and this is B. Now we need to find its rank. We are converting it into row echelon form as usual. We have done this kind of problems before. So for that we are going to use elementary row transformation, that is R2 equal to R2 minus R1 and R3 equal to R3 minus R1, so that the elements below the first non-zero entry in the first row will be 0. So we have to make these two elements 0. So by applying these two transformation, what we get, we have the first row, then second row we have 0 here, 4 minus 1 3, 6 minus 1 that is 5, 20 minus 6 that is 14, and here we have 0, 4 minus 1 3 and A minus 1 and B minus 6. Now what we need to do, we have to make this element 0. So what is the transformation we are going to do? That will be R3 equal to R3 minus R2. By applying that transformation, what we get is, we have first row, we have 0, 3, 5, 14, 0, and 3 minus 3 will be 0, A minus 1 minus 5 will be A minus 6, and B minus 6 minus 14 will be B minus 20. Now what we need is, we have to find the rank of A and rank of the augmented matrix, and for the system to have no solution, the rank of A should be less than rank of the augmented matrix. For rank of A, that means we have A here, to be less than rank of the augmented matrix, surely this element must be 0, that A minus 6 must be 0. Now for rank of the augmented matrix to be greater, this B minus 20 should not be 0. So this is the condition. That means from this we can write A should be 6 and B should not be 20. This is the condition for this system of equation to have no solution. Now let's quickly check these two cases also. If the system of equation is supposed to have unique solution, then the rank of both should be equal to the number of unknowns. That means the rank of both should be 3. So in that case, we have a minus 6 should not be 0. Similarly, b minus 20 also should not be 0. Okay, this is the case for the system of equation to have unique solution. Now for infinite number of solution, we must have the rank same, but it should be less than the number of unknowns. So a minus 6 should be 0 and b minus 20 should also be 0. In this case, this system of equation will have infinite number of solutions. These are the 3 possible cases.